So what we've got is a caliper alignment tool which slots over the rotor so you can tighten the bolts up, centering the rotor. Piston retraction tool for pushing the pistons back. You just slide it in from one side and the other and the pistons retract. And then a piston cleaning tool which slots in so you can pump the pistons out and clean around the pistons, and you just switch it round to whichever piston you want to clean to stop them sticking. And these are dust and dirt covers that will sit over the top of the caliper. How it all goes together, it slots together quite simply like this. So it's all one piece.